Hello friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com and today I'll be cooking chicken leg quarters in the air fryer. Super easy. What we need is chicken leg quarters and seasonings. I'm going to use salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. And you can use any seasonings you like that you want to use with chicken. So first we're going to season the chicken. So I'll sprinkle chicken leg quarters with the seasonings. So here's salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. And rub the seasonings so they're evenly distributed on the chicken. And now flip it over and season the other side as well. So now let's open the air fryer, and I'm going to put the chicken leg quarters in the air fryer. I'll put it skin side down first because at halfway through the cooking time, we'll flip it. So at the end, I want it to look like this, the correct side up. So let's put skin side down for now. And now I'll put the basket in the air fryer. And let's set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 25 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and let's flip the chicken so it cooks evenly. It's looking good. So I'm just going to use a spatula here to separate it. I'm just trying to rearrange it so they fit better. There you go. And now I will put it back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these chicken leg quarters. They look amazing. So nicely browned and perfectly cooked. Now at this point, I recommend checking the internal temperature with the instant read thermometer and make sure it's at least 170 degrees Fahrenheit for chicken leg quarters. Yep, it's over 170, so it's totally done. And some air fryers, they cook differently. So if yours is not done, just put it back on the air fryer at 400 Fahrenheit for another 5 minutes or until they're cooked through. So let me take them out of the air fryer. Perfect. They look so good and they were so easy to make. So let me just cut it so you can see the inside. See the inside? The meat is perfectly cooked and the skin is so crispy. I'm so excited about trying them. Let's try it. They're so delicious. The skin is so crispy. It's amazing. Air fryer is perfect if you love crispy skin. Meat is just so good. And the meat inside is so tender and juicy. You will love cooking chicken leg quarters in the air fryer. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!